If you leave this time, I fear that you'll be gone for good. So now hold on like leaves and fall to what is left. Said a father left a young and he said he'll be back with that same tone that you just said you'll stay forever with. It seems that all the autumn leaves are falling. I feel like you're the only reason for it. All the things you do, 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 all the things you do. It seems that you're the only reason for it. I've been bleeding in your silence. I feel safer in your violence. I hold on like leaves